There are channels on YouTube that make $3,000 every single day by posting videos just like this.
He came into town 106 miles an hour. What your compliance is going to be getting out of the car.
Like, for example, the channel Midwest Safety posts these police body cam videos and they get over 50 million views every single month. Now, if we use TubeMagic's Niche Explorer, it tells me that these types of videos get $9 every 1,000 views, but let's lower it down to $6 just to be safe. With that $6 RPM, this channel would be making $300,000 every single month, or $10,000 a day from just posting these police body cam videos. Imagine if you just hired somebody to make these videos for you and you remain completely faceless, yet get $10,000 automatically every single day by running a channel like this. Could you imagine that? The police body cam niche is what we like to call a high stakes, high reward niche, where it involves a lot of thinking and planning, but there's so little competition that there's millions and millions of views to go around for everybody. But in this video, I'm literally doing all the thinking and planning for you and showing the fastest way to blow up a channel and where they even get this police body cam footage to begin with. And before I start, to prove that there's more people doing this, here's 2 more channels that are posting these same type of police body cam videos. And from the same $6 RPM, they would still be making over $100,000 every single month. And all you need to do to discover how to make a better channel than them using AI is just to watch this full tutorial right here. Let's begin. So to start, this is how the police body cam channels get so viral. They keep the videos very, very long. As you see, I put a bunch of G's there just to really stress you want to make these videos long, and there's a reason for that. Pretend this timeline right here is a video that's 25 minutes long, 40 minutes long, whatever. And these green things right here are ad breaks throughout your video. Well, you get more money every time you get an ad break compared to a video that's like 5 or 8 minutes long, where you just have one ad that plays at the beginning of the video and one that plays at the end. So from the ads you get from longer videos, you get a lot more money or a higher RPM. That's why TubeMagic's Niche Explorer said that there was a $9 RPM because of how much ads they're actually able to place on their videos because they're so long. Now, I also want to show you guys how these channels are so profitable, because to get monetized on YouTube, you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Now, the 1,000 subscribers, in my opinion, is the easy part. It's the 4,000 hours of watch time that's hard. But by posting long videos, if you just get 12,000 people to watch 20 minutes each, you're monetized. 12,000 views, 20 minutes each. That's all it takes to get your police body cam channel monetized. Once it's monetized, then you'll make tons of money from these ad breaks within your video. But there's actually a secret to success to making these videos go viral. Pretend this is the beginning right here. You leave the beginning a mystery on what actually happens within this video. Now, the thing is with police body cam videos is they're very, very easy to binge watch. When someone sits down to watch police body cam videos, they don't just sit down to watch them for 20 minutes. They sit down to watch 3 or 4 hours of police body cam videos. So by leaving the beginning a mystery and making the reward at the very end to what happens, say it's a police chase, at the very end you find out what happens in the police chase, or the person getting arrested, their mugshot, what they get charged for. Leaving it as a mystery in the beginning, it makes people watch until the very end, and so that'll increase your audience retention a lot, give you a bunch of watch time. But there's a very, very important thing too. If they make it to the end, then you can push them to another video. And at the end of that video, push them to another and another, and keep them binge watching this type of content. Because at the end of the day, YouTube is a business and they reward session time, how long you can keep people on the platform to keep watching ads, to keep watching videos. The more you just pump people to the next video and the next video and the next video, exploiting them watching police body cam videos, then you're gonna benefit from all the views that YouTube is gonna push your way, knowing that you are keeping people on the platform. So here's a video I edited for example, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how we're gonna get this police body cam footage in just a second. But in the beginning right here, you can see I explain what's happening, but I don't actually spoil what happens in the end, whether he's charged, whether he's arrested. I just say he was pulled over in Miami for speeding right here, and then just talk about who Tyreek Hill is in this police body cam footage. And then it goes through, it leaves it very, very long. This video is over 20 minutes long. It leaves it unedited, showing the entire part, keeping people watching. And at the very end, then it finally tells them what happened before pushing them to watching another video. If you want to watch more celebrity arrests, then check out our next video here, and then I'll put an end screen to the next video, pushing people to continue binge watching content and increasing session time. Now, if you guys want to see more hands-on on how to make faceless videos like this using AI in order to 10x the growth on your channel, well, we're actually hosting a completely free live training that anyone can attend and discover the secrets to potentially 10x the growth on their channel. It's completely free. The only catch is there's a limited amount of people who can actually attend the free training. But by pressing the link in the description below, you can secure your spot to join us and discover the secrets to grow your channel on YouTube. Now I'm about to show you guys how to get police body cam footage just like this. But first, let me show you guys how you can blow up a police body cam channel very quickly using easy to use AI tools. Using this new AI video generator called VidAI, I'll have it linked in the description below. I'm gonna go over to here on new project and on faceless short. Right here, I'm gonna leave custom prompt on and then write a true crime story. Like for example, the mysterious case of Jacob Wetterling. Just like that. Now I'm gonna go through and select a narrator as well for this. I really like Antony. Let's listen to that one.
One today is worth two tomorrows.
That's good. His voice is more serious like. Then right here, I'm going to select on cinematic for an AI generated image. I can also select a gameplay video, but for this, I'm just going to select on cinematic right here. Then right here, I need to pick background music. Now I'm going to listen to this one right here called Mystery One. I like that one, so I'm going to use that one. Now once I have everything selected, all of this done, I'm going to hit on generate right here, and now VidAI is going to make me my short. Now if you get used to this software, you can get this done literally in just a couple of seconds. Make a ton of shorts, a whole month worth of content in literally like 10-20 minutes. Using VidAI, you're able to make YouTube shorts effortlessly to upload on YouTube and get free subscribers from YouTube shorts. And some of them might be redirected from your YouTube shorts to your long form content, getting you much more views by just simply generating YouTube shorts. And you guys can get VidAI for 30% off on your first month by using the code MAGIC30. And here's the finished result of my short that only took me a couple seconds to make.
The community rallied together, searching for answers, holding on to hope. Investigators scoured the area, but leads were scarce. The case captured national attention, sparking widespread fear.
Next, we'll use TubeMagic, which is the best AI tool in order to go viral on YouTube. They have a library of AI tools. I've already showed you guys the Niche Explorer, but I want to show you guys the keyword research tool as well. Going on the keyword research tool, it searches directly into YouTube's search API. So right here, I can type in police body cam and see what's being searched on YouTube. And I can filter by searches per month, competition score, and overall magic score. I'm going to do by search volume right here and see 1.6 million searches a month for true crime, 1.3 million searches a month for Florida. So that's a big one I can do as well. Police chase is almost 700,000 searches a month right there. So I can make videos about police chases if I know that's being searched a lot. Police is 500,000 right there. Body cam, 380. So you're able to research everything within your niche. Let's just try, crime. We'll search up crime right here, go to search volume, and we can see Crime Patrol is getting 1.7 million searches a month. Police, 500,000 right there. Midwest Safety, that's the channel we were talking about earlier. They have 346,000 searches a month. And overall, you're able to use this tool to see what's really being searched on YouTube and find out what you can post in order to get these views. But another AI tool I want to show you that TubeMagic has is the Warp Upload tool. Now this might be literally the best tool that TubeMagic has. Right here you can put the URL of your video if it's already uploaded, or you can put in the context right here. So say you're making a video about police body cam footage of some guy getting mad at McDonald's for not having enough chicken nuggets. Just a funny story. I'm going to say a police body cam video about a man who gets really mad about McDonald's not having enough chicken nuggets and calls the police who show up. Now I'm going to hit on generate right here, and now it's going to tap into YouTube's most viral videos with millions and millions of views, and using AI it's going to make me viral worthy optimization within just a couple of seconds. So right here it gives me a bunch of titles I can choose. Police called over chicken nugget drama. Man freaks out over McDonald's nuggets shortage. McNuggets meltdown. Cops respond to call. These are all really good titles right here. Then I also have a description with a bunch of amazing keywords I can simply just copy right here, as well as amazing tags for my metadata of my video that I just simply posted, and I made this within a couple of seconds. This is amazing metadata right here that some people take 30 minutes to do. Some people can't even do it. 99% of people on YouTube don't know how to make optimization just like this, but using AI, you're able to do it in seconds. Now at the very bottom of your description right here, we're gonna wanna put a disclaimer. We'll have this free document with all the outlines and disclaimers you'll need for this video in the description below. And on this document, we have a description disclaimer right here where you change your channel name right here to yours and this channel name to yours as well. And then just copy this and put this at the very end of your description to avoid your video from getting demonetized, taken down, or possibly your entire channel taken down from just not having this disclaimer right here, but we have it linked below for you guys to use for free. Now I'm gonna show you guys how we actually get this police body cam footage in just a second, but think about it like this. If you were to pay $1 right now in order for a couple months later to make $3,000 every single day, like these YouTube channels, would you do that? If you were to pay $1 right now in order to make $10,000 every single day, just like Midwest Safety might be making if they have a $6 RPM, would you do that? So then wouldn't it make sense for you guys to get TubeMagic for only $1 for an entire week with the link in the description below? It only takes $1 to try out the best YouTube AI software for going viral on the entire internet. We know a bunch of YouTubers that have 1 million subscribers that say TubeMagic is essential to their video making process and for their videos to get much more views. And you guys can try it out for only $1 by pressing on the link in the description below. So how these channels collect this police body cam footage is by doing this method. They first start by using sites like this where you can see the laws from state to state regarding police body cam footage. So I can just go to like Florida right here and look through their laws and see if it's easy for me to obtain the police body cam footage. A lot of people ask stuff like, oh, if I'm outside of the US, am I able to obtain the footage? Or if I don't live in the state, etc., etc. This is the website that helps you with all of this. You're just gonna wanna go through and read it and make sure. If you don't understand it, just copy it, put it into ChatGPT, tell it to simplify it for you. Easy as that. The link to the site will be in our free document with all the outlines and disclaimers in the description below. But right here, I found Florida. Let's say I look through Florida's laws right here, and I'm gonna find police body cam footage from there because it's easy to obtain. So then on Google, I'm gonna wanna specifically find news stories from Florida. So I'm gonna type in like Florida man crime. And I'm gonna go to the news right here and then start scrolling through and finding a funny, lighthearted type of crime, like a Karen or a meltdown. Don't find anything violent. People in my comments all the time say, oh, this niche isn't monetizable. Yeah, that's because all these channels are using violent crimes. They're using all these controversial things instead of finding something where there's no violence, there's no blood, etc. Like for example, here's this news story I found right here. Florida man allegedly ran to police for help after failed burglary attempt. It's funny, it's interesting, and there's no violence in it. Now what I'm gonna do right here is actually copy the link of this article. And on TubeMagic, I'm gonna scroll down to the article to script tool right here, paste in the article, select magic mode, or I could just unselect it and then select the word count I want. But right here, I'm just gonna select magic mode. And for the template, I'm just gonna select on general and then hit on generate. And now TubeMagic is generating me a high audience retention script from this article that is directly made for YouTube. So it says, in a remarkable turn of events, a Florida man found himself in custody after an unusual rescue attempt this week. A 24-year-old from Pompano Beach allegedly committed a burglary, but then made an unexpected choice. Instead of fleeing from police, he ran straight into the arms of a police officer sitting at a stoplight pleading for help. That can be the intro of my video right here. I've made my script and all I have to do is just use this for my video. Now what I'm going to want to do next is going back to the article, I'm going to want to find the county that this was done in. So it says Broward County. So I'm going to copy Broward County and I'm going to look for Broward County in Florida on Google. So here's Broward County, but specifically I'm going to look for the police. So I'm going to find the police of Broward County. Here we have their sheriff's office right here, and we're going to look for some contact information. Right here I'm going to press on contact us and look for a specific email that I can contact. Right here it says contact BSO via email. Now that I have my email, I'm going to start sending them a draft. But what are we going to put in the subject and body? Well, luckily enough for you guys, in our free document below, we have a template to send these emails. Right here, we have a request body cam footage outline, and it's funny because we have a bunch of people looking at it right now. But what we're gonna do is just copy this right here, and we're gonna fill out all this bolded information. So right here, I'm gonna paste that in right here, and then take that subject, move it up here, and then I'm gonna change the date to the date of the incident by looking at the news article. So I'm gonna say April 29th right there, and I'm gonna say, Dear Broward County Police. And I'm just going to go through and fill out this entire template right here with all the information I know. At the very end right here, it says your name and contact. And I can just put Denis Bel and then support@denisbel.com. Just like that. Just fill out all this information, and then I can request this body cam footage just like that. But there's actually a secret around it where you don't have to pay a single dollar for this footage. Look at this Reddit post I found where this guy paid $572 to retrieve police body cam footage. Now, it's not always this expensive. Sometimes it can be $30. But the point is, this niche is very expensive, but there's actually a way around it where you don't have to pay a single dollar for this police body cam footage. And I explain in this video right here exactly how you do that. The dark secret of police body cam videos and the exploit for you to get them for completely free. It's a secret tactic that no YouTube channel will tell you because they're too afraid of doing so. So if you don't watch it right now, you'll never discover the secrets within this video.